Hi there, my comrade. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths by Nyagiro. Under calculus, I want us to look at differentiation. Differentiation is a very good topic, and it has got so many ways of solving it. We have the power rule, the chain rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, differentiation by first principle, differentiation of parametric equations, differentiation of transcendental functions, that is logarithmic functions, trigonometric functions, and exponential functions. But today I had prepared for the chain rule. But before we get there, let us know the general formula of differentiation. So the general formula of differentiation is here. If you are given y or f of x is equals to a multiplied by x raised to n, then to find your function of x prime or your dy dx, that is your derivative, you will take this power here, which is n, you multiply it with the original value, that is ax, then this power you subtract 1, n minus 1. For example, let's look at this. Y equals 6x cubed. To find the dy dx, that's the derivative, you will take this power, you multiply by whatever is here. So this is 3 times 6 is 18. Then x, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Then you will get 18x squared. That's your final answer. That is the general formula of differentiation. I had prepared for chain rule. I want us to rush there immediately. Now, the chain rule is used to find the derivatives of a function of a function. When talking about function of a function, it means there are two functions. Example, this is a function of a function. How? Because it has two functions. It is made of f of g of x. It means there is an inner function and an outer function. An inner function is f of x, and our outer function is g of x. Our f of x is 6 plus x, and our outer function is x squared. So as you can see, you have two functions. You are supposed to find the derivative. Then you must use the chain rule. Let's solve that question. So here, to find the derivative, you let whatever that is in the bracket to be u. So you will say let u equals 6 plus x. Now normally, if you are given y equals to x, to find the derivative, you usually differentiate dy with respect to x. That's dy with respect to x, which is now when you differentiate, you get 1. That's the same idea that we are going to use to differentiate this one. We differentiate du with respect to x. So we'll say du dx equals, when you differentiate 6, you get 0. When you differentiate x, you get 1. Now, let's go to the original equation. It is here. Y equals 6 plus x squared, right? But we said we let whatever in the bracket to be u. So we will have y equals u squared. We differentiate dy with respect to u. Dy du equals 2u. 2u raised to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Now to find the derivative, that's dy dx in chain rule. Pay attention. We will take dy du multiplied by du dx. Our dy du is here, it's 2u, and our du dx is here, it is 1. So we'll take our dy du, which is 2u, multiplied by our du dx, which is 1. You will get that dy dx equals to 2u. But we said this u should be 6 plus x. Now our dy dx will be 2 into bracket u, which is now 6 plus x. Now that's your final answer. Is there a shortcut for solving the chain rule? Yes, let me show you the shortcut. Okay, the shortcut is here. This was our question. Now to find the dy dx, or the derivative using the shortcut method, you say dy dx equals this power here, you put it as the coefficient, then multiply whatever is here, that is 6 plus x, and reduce the power by 1, 2 minus 1, then multiply by, differentiate whatever is in this bracket, multiply it here. So when differentiate 6, you get 0. When differentiate x, you get 1. So our dy dx will be 2 into bracket 6 plus x. So that is our shortcut. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Please share and like.